Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today we're going to be playing with some cloud slime and making it less harder. And it's actually cloud slime. I got it yesterday. Go! That's This is not the way to make it less hard.
Oopsie.
But this is how. So first,
I died.
you're gonna twist like a medium or a small piece off. Gonna yank it off. Then you're gonna put the big piece back in the container. Then you're gonna be left with a small piece.
I really think I died.
Then you're just gonna play with that, and then you're gonna do that for every single piece. And once this feels good, you're gonna move the big thing onto the lid, then put the small ones in here. You're gonna get more, put it in there when you're done, more, put it there when you're done, and then it's gonna be all not hard, but then the next day it's gonna get harder, so it's just a way to keep up the slime so it doesn't break. Oh my god, this is crazy.
Finally. Where am I going?
Call from Margaret Chinold.
Oh my god. Okay, I am now stretch.
Where's my motor?
I am now stretching it. But just do that a lot of times and you'll get it soon. Goodbye.